Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to explain that all the executable statements in Java should be written inside the methods. So let's get started. For example, here we have some sample Java code. And here we have the class. Inside the class, we have this main method. And inside this main method, we have a executable statement. Example executable statement here is print statement. So this statement is inside a method or not? Yes, it is inside a method. Which method? Main method. Okay. Either main method or some other type of method. This executable statement should be inside. What if I don't write this executable statement inside the method? Rather, if I take it from there and write it outside the method. Okay. Outside this method, if I'm writing this executable statement, what is happening? I'm getting some errors. You see, already some errors are coming. Can you understand this error? No. So this is one of the mistake that most of the people who get started with learning Java program will make. And after writing this statement, okay, after writing this executable statement outside the method without they realizing, they will come across this kind of errors. And even they do Google search or whatever it is, you are not going to get the solution for this. Okay, you'll not even understand what the error is. So remember that all the executable statements in Java programming should be written inside the methods. Then you will not get the errors. Okay, this is one of the most important mistake. Most of the people will do this mistake without realizing what is the mistake they are doing. Okay, so they'll not even get a clue of how to solve that mistake. And they will be worried like what I have done wrong. So make sure that you write the all the executable statements in Java inside the methods, not outside the method, so that you will not get such kind of errors that you don't even understand. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.